Hi learners, I'm Rebecca Pinto and today we'll be dealing with another module called Understanding Feminism through Select Works of Indian Poets. I will be dealing with Eunice D'Souza. Eunice D'Souza was indeed a remarkable figure in English language poetry. She was also a literary critic and a novelist. She has published 4 volumes of poetry that showcase her keen observation of characters and environments that she grew up around. Her poetry is often marked by its astute observations of everyday life, reflecting the complexities of human relationships and social dynamics. Eunice D'Souza was also known for her use of satire as a demonstration of the world around her. Her sharp wit and incisive humor were instrumental in offering insightful commentary on various social issues, including gender roles, cultural norms, and political dynamics. She refused to conform to traditional expectations placed on Indian women poets. Instead of adhering to established norms and conventions, she boldly asserted her own voice and perspective through her poetry and prose. She often explored various themes of identity, agency, and resistance, reflecting her refusal to be confined by social expectations and limitations. In addition to her poetry and novels, D'Souza has also made significant contributions as a literary critic and editor. She edited several anthologies of poems and essays, showcasing her work of diverse voices within the literary landscape. Her editorial efforts helped to amplify marginalized voices and fostered a greater appreciation for the richness and diversity of Indian culture. One of the poems that is a strong feminist poem is Eunice D'Souza's Advice to Women. The poet presents advice to women through suggestions that women should get a cat and learn to survive just like cats. D'Souza, through her poem, suggests that if women want to learn to cope with the otherness of lovers, they should keep cats as they might benefit and a woman can learn how to go through life, especially if she is distanced by her partners. She draws attention to how cats are just themselves and they don't pretend just to impress other people. The poet alludes to how humans show anger by lashing out at other people and highlights this to be a negative trait. She compares humans to cats, who she says are not outwardly aggressive. Towards the end of the poem, she highlights how keeping cats can teach women to be self-sufficient and help rid women of the fear of dying alone. This poem is written in free verse, and through the poem, D'Souza places emphasis on how cats can help individuals cope. It presents themes of relationships and uniqueness of individuals in the context of love and relationships. Other themes that the poet chooses to stress upon include conflict resolution, composture, and other themes of observation and learning. Another poem by Eunice D'Souza called For Rita's Daughter, Just Born, is written from the point of view of a mother who presents an insight into the maternal instincts. It is a depiction of the emotional state of mind of a mother who is blessed with a baby girl. The mother continues to display a rapturous joy as she talks about her newly born daughter and continues to shower blessings on the child alongside praying for her daughter's life to be filled with happiness. She also prays for protection on the child during natural calamities as well as from cultural and social problems. In this poem, the maternal instincts override all else on the arrival of a newborn child in her mother's arms.